your girl Timar, and you know we are here today doing our back to school treat that we are supposed to do from about 3 weeks now. Wagwan, unfortunately, I had two accidents when my vehicle tell them bus off. So I had to put out the treat them because of the accident. So setting up a one for the back to school treat. The kids them outside already. So right in front of the barber, we're having our look back to school treat. Make sure so all of the kids them well taken care of. Was supposed to happen from 2 weeks ago. But however, it's still a go on. No matter what happens, no matter how it starts, it has to go on. So as you can see, all of the kids them are here. And I would invite any other parents that haven't got your back to school bags yet for the kids. You can send them come today because I have bags available for girls and boys from 6 up to 13. Alright? Big up all of my donors them in the States where pack them stuff and looking out for all the unfortunate kids them and who even have it but not get through with it as yet. So we want to give our thanks and our appreciation to our anonymous donors them who come through, and we will be having more stuff to give away, especially to a child who's really in need of it. So you all can reach out to me anytime on the media platform, or you can also call me on my number 601-8276. If you know of any child that their parents pass away and they're struggling to get them education, you can reach out to me. I will definitely help. This back to school drive is for all of the kids them who haven't got any bags as yet. Alright? And I also have some hot dogs and more to give the kids them. So you know how that go already. We just try to make sure so the kids them feel special and feel good. You understand me? I'm a Jamaican, I live in Belize, I'm married to a Belizean, and I'm just giving back. I'm just contributing back to society positively as I can and show appreciation to my husband and his ground. This is his soil. So I'm here and I just want to do good for the country and for the people of Belize. So, all the kids them they can come. Alright, mommy, which bag you say you want? The pink one? The pink one, you can have the pink bag. Black one, you can have it. You would have to get a big bag, but then but not too small. Right? So you have to get this one. Pencil knife, calculator knife, stuff is inside. Alright? What do you like this? Alright? Blue? This is blue. How much you pay? 3? So 2 boys? Bring in the room. Girl is right. My boy. Girl, right? Sit down.
What's in it, Mom? No, let me put one thing on me. Yeah, strawberry shortcake. Mom, I get pencil.
I agree, Mr. Eunice and Mr. Alright, take care. The bag. You're not getting a bag.
No, no bag.
Get a ruler, Mary. A ruler.
Well, you not get
Key. The leave boy there.
yeah. More of the muscle cut, please. Get it right the board. Don't be shy.
I said, I'm sure you're next 2 weeks after school.
We were supposed to get so far over, but delay and delay and
The
delay.
mine's too.
Don't know, we still must be in September, must be September.
Yeah, mine will be 2 weeks
Else
after
not get.
school. On the first. 2 weeks after school. But I will have to leave back. Shoes, 27 down. Where should they
Come,
go?
let me give them hot dog. You want me to give them hot dog?
It's the reason there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Am I required? So, when you did
I just want to check something. You're welcome, mommy.
We, that's all right.
May I go? I try to say we can beat the rain.
Yeah, because it sounds like you feel like it come.
Be like it around a cup. Spray together and make it
Right now, actually.
Come, 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 come. Come, come, go it, go it, go it.
Because they look for the rain to come.
Just over come help me, girl. I can't separate this, so come. Alright. Just come.
The rain a wall up, man. The rain a wall up.
Let's pass over. Let's make it one. Oh, yeah, look. And I watch. So welcome, baby.
That's your money, too.
Any bread, just take it. Just put that bread now. the juice limit. Me have to watch the weather and I try to do it before the rain comes down. Yeah, watching the weather. So welcome, baby. Celebrates half, girl.
Let's go for the bakery. Let's see.
Oh, the carrot on the road, mommy. Nothing. Oh, just look at nothing. Yeah, catch baby cold, really. When I don't put them on the sun, put them on the napkin. Come. Yes, wait for a minute. How long I was my sister? A time for a Gosia. Where your sister? Where your sister?
Rosita, for sure, that's like.
Okay. Hold on, come to the tree. If you get some more, we have to move fast. Move fast. See?
Rain a drop me.
Yeah, see it, man.
Yeah, drizzle up.
Oh, yeah, mommy can shoot the baby.
Mama left?
Yeah.
Mama.
Mama.
So one more school back. Just one person can get. Oh, Jada. Come. I gonna have when I can take my number because the bar will come next week. That weekend we are come. No, basically call me 601-8276. That's the call me because then if we can get a call, we can actually know how to set it up.
Take your picture. Alright, thanks.
Hey, brother.
Mama.
Hey, brother.
Let's go, dear.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah. What? 601 what? 8276. Okay, my baby. You're gonna have to come back another week. Baby.
So that's school open to eat here. Oh yeah.
So the rain come down. I want to pack up all of what we have, but we give out the back to school bag and the stuff them and people asking me when again and how and a lot of kids run come from that side where we never have so much bag. You understand me? So we are trying to put together where we can have this as a movement. So all of the kids them where lose them parents or a single mother who don't have it, we're trying to set up a program for that. I'm supposed to go to Attyville to Lizzie. She have a program for that and I'm going to be a part of it to make sure that no children get left behind, no children get tossed aside. You not have to have a bag of money for do good and for reach out in the community and help who you can. Because you see the children that you see look less fortunate today can be the leaders of tomorrow and will be the leaders of tomorrow. We just have to surpass the whole criticism of rich and poor business and unite together as one. You understand me? I don't rich, but I know I have a good heart. And the little that I have, I'm going to share it with the one them who don't have any. So today was a blessed day for me because I've got to fulfill my dream of making sure that if I have one child can look at me and tell me thanks. If I even one and a more than one today. So it's a blessing for me. I'm gonna feel good today. The rain come down and the blessing come down and trust me, greater things I'm going to do in Belize. Now ask and tell me, greater things than this I'm going to do. I am going to make sure every child is heard, every child is seen, and everybody who's less fortunate rely upon me, man. Because guess at the end of the day, I'm going to make sure some hear your voice, listen to you, and I'm going to be attentive and any way I can to help. I'm going to help. If I have a company media come beg for you, I don't have a problem. You understand me? So this is a girl Tima. I'm a Jamaican living in Belize. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Only positive. I'm out. So I just actually hand out the bags them and stuff like that. So my husband I care at the table. I see it. You see guys? You see? Yeah, the fan. Yeah, actually I head up my truck. Now at 12:39, so you know that go already. You understand? It's got my little baby here, then my adult here. Yeah. What a kids go when I'm actually done because us how I set it up, we did that plan figure. With a plan figure with the hot dog and supposed to get some juice and all of that. And the person never come but through the rain and fall and them I say the rain. So I'm actually sorry them. I'm just start giving them old boy. I'm here and all of my vlog them already. So about your face no new. She just stand there now.
Yeah, no, I just see her back on mahogany.
So you just pass and go for her?
Huh? Yeah. When I pass it, I see me that pick up.
Yeah. Come just tell him to see the vehicle this way they come. Thanks for lending me the table. One of my team player them my support system to make this possible. You're already famous. If some face I get me in a trouble, what is this, sir? In face I will get me in a trouble.
I have a famous individual, no see start I live, no see how I do. No see I no got no friend. No see how I rest.
Right.
I have a very special individual.
You understand? We're not crabby. We're not common.
And I get ready for market the money.
That is it. As I know tomorrow I'm gonna have to go strips down here so you can
I don't know, I don't know if you are calling she, but she the way back so.
Yeah, me will call her.
Alright.
Yeah, man. So you don't see, I'm putting my best, I'm trying my best. And I can see that the kids really appreciate it and other people reach out to me and I ask them for help. So I always make sure make the donors them see what me I do. You understand me? And that is doing what I promise, and that is to make sure say the ones I'm in Belize who people look down upon and talk the worst of, I make sure make them see say yo somebody there while look out for me. So right now I'm on my way I go. My husband have work and we're getting ourselves together to go home now. Just what them did them. Is it positivity? It good. No make nobody force if you do no madness or try to be disrespectful to people or try to hype on nobody because I tell you it's not worth it. You understand me? People can tell you how me left my ring on a donkey god on my mother yard. There. Right now I'm stressed over that. Look at my husband now say I never will fully take off my ring fully fit. So I'm gonna start. Oh, that's the egg up on yourself. You want to go to Jamaica and something about food? Yeah. Go buy farmers to wear my food and come home. Yeah, then I forgot work. Yeah. Then. But listen to me. Let us show love, give love, appreciate each other, and support each other. Where you to? They can't go. It's not that oversafe. See what washing them they live there. Them build up the house so fast. Cause I never did it. See it all the door and everything. Got the sun up, then I vehicle me go back so I had to go down in the city. My husband go do a good deed. And then we go back up and him have work for go. This is how our daily life go. We have to come together. Him make sure say my task them is complete. He make sure say me do me have to do whatever it is I have to do. In 100% make sure say get done and then in carry me home. Or my drive go home. Depends. But I have one vehicle now, so if you're not on his bike, what are we for the in the vehicle? So him carry home his wife.
Make sure she reach home safe, safe and dandy.
Yeah.
And you know where you go on. Top flight officer of the world.
Yeah. But I never just come see me, come just eat my show. So super tight by the seatbelt so I can feel full and uncomfortable. Them flag they're pretty.
You feel full enough?
Yeah. Well, I'm showing something. This nobody up yesterday.
No, I just went up last night.
Last night.
No, last night I got up.
So what them do with you?
This is like for the celebration. Like for the celebrations in September.
Oh, the my celebration in September.
Yeah, celebration.
Okay.
Well, September that basically the party month, celebration month.
What kind of party?
All kind of party, carnival, everything happening in September. Carnival at Belize, carnival at Orange Walk.
Why? About where I go home, see that? Take it easy, I will do the work.
You don't have to.
You don't have to do what?
Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Come, did you say Rising Star?
I mean, say, take it easy, going up to the road. What are you doing?
My husband cannot even see for saving life the blood clot people in the backflip car.
The only in the show, I think I sound like Chris Brown, Usher,
No, sir.
Michael Jackson.
Well, I never can sound like Whitney Houston or Tony Braxton.
But the way Balini was singing one song like Johnny Gill. My, mama, my.
Johnny
Sure
Hill.
look good tonight.
Cause it's so damn fine. You got
Put on your red dress and your high heels.
step in your eyes and some of that sweet perfume.
You got your
Sure smell good on you.
Put on your lipstick. Lay your hair down. Woo, 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 woo. Miss me bed and miss you. You
If
and
you say shit,
I.
man, what is the words of the song? I'm not know the words of the song.
Me say make me keep the wanna dance. Kinda see them from Sunday. Me say miss you let's bring it to the owner. No. And you say my pussy's coming. Bring it to the owner.
Alright, next time. Here's the next time. Yeah. Whoa, the AC album is still hot.
Bacho.
Yeah. Give me. So we're actually going home. Yeah. Alright, this is the tire they bus off.
Bitch.
Right this up. Right this up. If I come, if I come down so,
Yeah.
it bus I'm take time go over. Take the vehicle out of the road. Yep. Can I better come on and lick up in the vehicle back? Okay, you know when them a come on the highway you know. See it? You see it? See that? Chum brown. This is called the lady white. Look brown and like foreigner though. Look well brown out. Yeah, I'm looking carrot tone cream, you understand? I get my CT plus. Yeah. But I'm not really use it. Now that I'm at this clear color, I'm not really use cream that much again. I try to look for baby oil. I have an oil that I use on my hand because normally my hand is black. So my hand is black and yes, so the browns. If you notice them in the same color, because people try to tell me so my hand them black. So I end up get an oil and take off my cuticles them, my knuckles them. So my hand brown, you know so. Normally my place is black. And my foot too. Yeah. I know that I not put on a cream on my skin, but I'm tired now. But through my wear cover up clothes. I not come out in the sun. Yeah. So I keep pretty hair. Turn vampire to blood clots. I'm like that. Oh, but man, it's so money to make you happier, love make you happy. So if I have love, and God is love, love is God, you don't need nothing more than that. Because everything will come is just addition. Then my husband good, without if we even have a dollar, like what they would have no money. How much money we have to have? $10. $10. I go buy 2 tin of mackerel, what you say?
Mackerel and rice.
You don't see me, don't cook that. Me and my husband nice. I'm not tell a long time, about 2 weeks ago now. Yeah. Because me don't feel like me need money to be happy. I mean I need money, my husband to have money, my man to have money for me be happy. No. Let's fuck up some mackerel and rice broke on a Sunday. Me and my husband eat that and call it a day. Understand? You have to learn to humble yourself. People that talk about humble like them not say me humble, but well humble. You understand me? But humble, comfortable and happy. You can tell you that for sure. 1 bottle of water, my own business. Yeah. You understand the second time cruise go home. 2:30 I left out back.
Money in the morning when I got a touch of it, then I kind of worry you. You have to cut them out and cut, but after that, they don't really got no drink by the go. So when they reach 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
But your Vicious said man come back. But people look out for the restaurant, the opening of my Jamaican restaurant, the Taste of Kingston, Shopper Road. That is it. Yeah. What do you think? Obviously, the best place to put it. Up top side, up on the yard. Obviously, that'd be the best place to put it.
Yeah, they are.
Detail.
Yeah. Even for me, when I was working from the areas, it's hard to find. You have to hear the other for keep longer, the other for each because the park alone nonsense, the basic. Or even when you go, the stall will sell a good food, always sold out.
Okay. Well, Detail Park, Jamaican restaurant, I dropped there. You're not gonna be the chef, you know, I should tell you from now.
Oh, I'll be the chef.
Yeah. Wait, remember I get my chef?
Oh, I'll be the chef.
You? Whoa, people! That's when say man be the chef.
Curry, haki and saltfish, fried dumpling,
My husband can't boil water, people. I make him chicken now. Not our.
You rub the head, rub the head.
It's a very eat.
Yeah,
You spread false news and propaganda. No, sir.
Once a boil water and the water still in the pantry. But they want to evaporate, they don't know.
Shit, man. Don't know it's a girl team. I like, share, and subscribe. Like the video, man, and stop going. So, what do you know?
Stop going, so people.
Yeah, man.
Just
Sure.
click on the finger and touch the subscribe button. Watch it.
What going? She's like, no, sir. The man body big, it I look good enough, but the man belly also big too. Fuck, man. Tuck it in, don't even babe. Tuck that in. Show them. Muscles. No, sir, them smooth after road there. No, when the car fell again, I was running out, so we stay.
You know one spell, right? When they go towards Belize by transparent and they got like gravel and they got sand.
Yeah.
And me and you up on the bike. And I tell her, I feel with the up on the bike and we look for slide off of the thing. But I know you don't feel it, but I not tell her because you're funny.
Hey, people good one story.
I feel the bike the slide, you know. But I know I tell her because you're a panic check. I said, come on. Just told me I'm not in a bush.
Wait now. My husband's bike was a dirt bike, the first bike him buy. Yeah, I know, say my husband and them for ride and get brave up and say, yo, babes, come on, throw you up on the bike and I say, babes, go and take a bit more practice. You don't believe in me. I say, alright, catch you. I don't want him to say I don't believe in him and I'm confident to go with him. Anyway, with the Ladyville boutique. Go in a Ladyville boutique and come back. People, my husband jump on the bike and me jump on the bike. He vroom, the bike flipping and here and me jump on my body and him jump on him body.
Yeah.
Hey, my shame. I want man to in that vehicle and watch me. We get up and do like, let's say,
You forget that time I dropped in on the police in the farm. You can't get more shame than that. Guys, they come in too fast past Cemetery Road and when they turn past Dolphin Street, I come in too hot. Grab front brakes and the bike throw me down.
oh, what a shame.
People there at the stadium and people there at the bank. And our vehicle pass. This time, alright, what the fuck alright? I just dropped working.
But the man I'm not less off at you.
Yeah, alright? You don't mean I alright? You don't see me drop?
Fuck man. Well, we life full of fun and adventurous experience. You can't get it better than that. I will laugh off of these things. We don't vex and that make would be tight.
You know, when the dirt bike they drop, you remember how long we take from it, that bike we get fixed back? Weeks, stop out, weeks, this the leak, that the leak. Every time there's something that might
One piece of shalamalo.
carry the station for him. By the time I come out,
It's
they don't
that.
really tap the gas. Which you don't get
Yeah,
now.
yeah, by Milan. No, she Milan.